Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be making a poinsettia. This is such a beautiful Christmas flower. It's one of my favorites. I hope you enjoy the tutorial. The tools I will be using today is a wooden hole puncher and a wooden dowel. Of course, I will also be using a glue gun, hot glue gun, and 3 templates. One being medium, a little bit smaller than medium, and a small. The second petal is, I call it a skeleton because of the cuts inside. This I cut with my Cricut, and the other 2 petals I cut by hand. I always start by scoring my petals, and just lightly I do a straight or curvy line through the middle, and then I do the sides a little bit just to make it stand out. It gives it a more realistic look. I don't know if you can appreciate it on the video, but it looks very beautiful. I hope you enjoyed my last video, the sunflower tutorial, and I hope you like this video. You subscribe to my channel, like it, or leave a comment. That would be very nice. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. You can email me at aurorasfinedesigns@gmail.com. I would gladly answer your questions. Now, second step is I like to shape the petals. And I start by, I put my wooden dowel in the middle, and then I fold it upward. And you can do 1 by 1, or you can do 2 at a time to make it easier. Just like so. Just like this. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Just so that it folds. You can come back and reshape it, but I always like to give the flowers a 3-dimensional, look. I want them to pop out. I like them more like that. And, also you can it could be flat. A flat flower also looks very beautiful. I like them all. And now I start working on the outer edge by folding it downward, turning it with the dowel down. 1 by 1, the right hand side, all of them. Very nice. And I use just about anything that works for me. I have different tools. And now I turn it, and I do the other side. And for this project, I'm using 65-pound cardstock. And this I bought from Michael's. Regular size paper, 8.5 by 11. And then once I'm done, sometimes I like to reshape it, a little bit by hand with my fingers. just to give it a more unique look. Just a little different. Or you can open them up if you don't like them so closed. You can open the petals. Now we go to template number 2, the skeleton. And I start by twisting the folders, the corners in, the right hand corner in, all of them with a wooden dowel. Very nice. This tutorial, a lot of people have been asking me to make it. Please, can you make it? We want to see how you make this flower. And finally, I had the time to make it for you. Now the second step is I like to put it in the palm of my hand and then just lightly give it a little curve. You see? You see how it curves? Very nice, because our palm is so soft and it doesn't damage the skeleton petal. There you go. It gives it a soft turn, pops it up, makes it a three-dimensional or three-dimensional. And you see how beautiful it looks. I love it. And now we're ready to assemble the flower. And we're going to put petal number 2 right on top, laying right in the middle, center of the first template or petals. Once we center it, you get a little bit of glue, hot glue, and then center it in the middle. There we go. Very nice. And now we get petal number 3. And this was pre-scored and pre-shaped. And I like to put that right in the center of the first petal. Align it with the first one, just so that it breaks it down. And we put a little bit of glue in the center. And we try to center it as best as we can. It doesn't have to be perfect. We just do our best where we like it. I like it there. And then after that, I like to fold the petals to give it a 3D look again. See how beautiful? And you see the 3D look? It looks very nice. You can use more petals and it looks more fuller. But for this particular order, they want all the colors the same and very, simple. They don't want so much going on. And so now it's time to put in our center, which I have previously cut on my Cricut. And I put some beautiful stick-on pearls in the center. And this is how it would look. Look how beautiful. But if you don't like it so plain, I have another center, a gold center, which is also very beautiful. Just so you can see how it stands out with a gold center. Very, very nice. But for this order, this is what they want. Same color, no contrast, no different colors on there, just all the same except for the pearls. Put a little bit of glue and center it. And then I like to always lift the middle with my fingers, the center. And it looks very nice. You see how beautiful it looks? Three-dimensional. It's very beautiful. And to this I like to add some beautiful leaves. It makes it look really nice, really beautiful. Look at that. See? Very beautiful. But for this particular flower, I made some special skeleton leaves. And they also look very beautiful too. Very nice. I like that. And this is just a solid in the bottom and the skeleton leaf on top with the two different colors. And it makes it pop up. It makes it look, stand out a little bit more. So I really like this look. And I can show you the different colors I have. I have this beautiful red with gold. This one has more petals. It has two of the skeletons in two different sizes and two of the plains and a different center. And look how beautiful. It looks beautiful. I really like it. And then also I have the beige, all the same color. This is part of the same order. And then I also have this all red color. Also very beautiful with a different center. But for this order, we're going to make something like this. Look how beautiful this looks. You can fix it in so many ways, add so many leaves, just change it completely, but I really like it like this. It's really, really nice. And this is our tutorial for today. I hope you like it. I hope you subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends about it. I'll be adding more videos. Follow me on Facebook or Instagram. Email me at aurorasfinedesigns@gmail.com. And if you are interested in purchasing the template, then just email me or you can leave me a message.